Hello everyone, this is Joey and I already pressed the record button. We're broadcasting live in Facebook and this is a recorded cast for my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to grow our Facebook audience. So I'll just tell you some tips about we'll be using Copilot for now, and let's find out some more tips that we don't know. So Copilot is your source of knowledge nowadays. So how do I grow my Facebook audience? Okay, it's actually pulling the...
Growing your Facebook audience is essential for expanding your reach and building a vibrant community. Here are some effective strategies to help you achieve that. Add a Facebook like button or box to your website. Integrate a like button or a Facebook page box on your website. This allows visitors to connect with your Facebook page directly from your site. Include your Facebook page in guest author bios.
So he actually stopped. So he said include your Facebook page in guest author bio. So if you have bio in your Facebook and then you have a page, you just include your Facebook a link to your uh, Facebook page in your bio, in your resume, or in your LinkedIn, in your other social media platform. You can also connect profile with pages. Link personal profile to your business page. When people visit your profile, they will see your page and may choose to follow it. So if you have the business page, if you have the main Facebook, you need to include your Facebook page link into your link, so they may opt to click your page. Provide a link signature. Add a link to your Facebook page in your email signature. This way, everyone you correspond with has an opportunity to discover and follow your page. So if you're sending email, you can include your Facebook page in your email signature. Okay. Of course, not your business email, your personal email. Probably if you're applying for work, you can add your link to your Facebook page. Okay, share to other social media platforms. If you have other social media platform like LinkedIn, you can add your Facebook page in your profile, and if they're interested, they might be able to click that. And then promote to the right audience. So you can use Facebook ads to target specific demographics, interest, and behavior, and reach out to potential followers. So those are the tips of how you can grow Facebook page from Copilot. It was interrupted, so I need to continue that. But anyway, there's some additional tips that I need to do, so I need to show you, and let's dive into that. Okay, so this is my page. This Joey's Game Room. If you haven't subscribed yet, so you can click on uh, professional dashboard. Is it? Okay, here at home, you click on home, and you can invite. I think it's on the. Sorry, let's just do this bit first. You can go to. Sorry, let's just go back. First. It should be on the Meta Business Suite, and at home you should be able to see notifications. That's weird. No, sorry. This is my Facebook page, so there should be. I click this professional dashboard. Is it? And click on home. Yeah, click on home. Click on home. See details. There should be invite friends to follow. Okay. We'll talk about that later. Your page is not your page. It's changing weird. I think it's on home. There's something that you can do to improve that. Anyway, I'll find it out later. So, but basically, what you can do is you can go to your main page, like this is my main page. So switch. What you can do is, so I'm now on my main Facebook page. Okay, and then I can go search for my page, and then you can right click this and invite followers or friends. So I already invited everyone. And just select all. Since I already invited and everybody, I am now no longer able to see anything from that. But I have another Facebook account, and I can just do the same. And then I click on Joe's Game Room and click on invite and invite friends. And then you can just tell your friends, so can you invite your friends to follow me? And they'll be sending invites to 281 friends. Okay. And I have several pages, so should be able to send yeah, let's do that. Anyway, I already, that's weird. There should be, I want to invite everybody who interact with my page who are not my follower just yet. So there should be able to do that. I'm trying to find it out. Engagement, page recommendation. Anyway, we'll talk about, if I'm not able to find it, we'll talk about that later for another session. Sometimes I see it, sometimes I don't. So anyway, so that's just all for now, I think. So yeah, you need to include your Facebook page and your guest author bio. If you're discussing in forums, you can put your Facebook page link. They might be interested. Connect your profile with pages. So be a profile on your LinkedIn and everything, and any other platform. You can add your Facebook page link, and you can add your Facebook link into your email signature. You can share in other social media platforms, cross post, and let me show you how to do that. Okay, let's say I want to cross post my, so I'm going live right now, right? So I'm live and no, I didn't click stream. Yeah, you click stream, but you're streaming somewhere else. Okay, there. So I want to share this. This is my live right now, so I can just basically share this on right now, so I can just basically so let me go to LinkedIn and share that. So okay, so this is LinkedIn, for example. We're gonna share our live to LinkedIn. That's how you cross post your live to LinkedIn, right? And start posting the URL, and now you are live on both Facebook and LinkedIn. Very beautiful, right? Okay, let's just post it. Okay. And now people will be interested from LinkedIn. They will click on that and go to your Facebook page, and then they might follow. Okay, what else? And then you can, if you have tons of, um, if you have Facebook account, other Facebook account, you can follow from your Facebook main Facebook account, not the Facebook page. So again, you can just go ahead and do that again. Okay, so this is my Facebook. You can actually send invite by find your page. Okay, let's choose game room, and just click these three buttons and invite friends, and it will send as many as 1,000 invites per day. Just click on select everything, and that's all for now. I was supposed to tell you something else, but I let's reserve it for another day. Thank you for watching, and I hope you were able. Today I'm now at how many? We're now at 1,300. Right? How do you know how many followers do you have? So just click on professional dashboard, and there you go. 12,822. Okay. Tomorrow that should be 1,300, 13,000. Okay. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Please follow me on YouTube and Facebook page, and anywhere in the world. Have a nice night today, or anywhere you are. Have a nice morning in the rest of the world. And yeah, see you again some other time.